Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we've got a fun puzzle to tackle, the 2x2x3 Cuboid. It's a little different from your regular 3x3, but don't worry, I'll show you how to solve it step by step. Let's dive right in. So first things first, what is a 2x2x3 puzzle? Well, it's a cuboid twisty puzzle which is often called a tower cube. It is shaped like a small tower, measuring 2 layers wide, 2 layers deep, and 3 layers high. It is considered a beginner-friendly puzzle. Therefore, it is generally easy to solve. Now, we'll be working with some basic notations. U, U prime, E, E prime, D, and D prime. For the R, L, F, and B notations, we are only going to do R2, L2, F2, or B2, because when you try to do a single move for any of them, the rotation can't be completed due to the cube's shape. However, for simplicity, we'll just call it R, L, F, and B in this tutorial. Alright, let's jump into the solution. There are 3 simple steps to solve this puzzle. Let's break them down. Step 1 is all about solving the yellow and the white faces. You don't need to worry about solving the entire layers. Just these 2 faces. There are 4 cases here, so let's look at them one by one. First up, if you see 2 bars, one yellow and one white, just do this. Make sure the yellow bar on the top is opposite to the yellow bar at the bottom. Then do a R to solve it, like so. If you get an L shape, hold the puzzle so that the single colored tile on the top layer is positioned at the bottom left, and at the bottom, the single colored tile is on the opposite side, like so. Then apply R, U prime, R. Next, if you have a double diagonal on both the top and bottom faces, rotate the top layer until the bottom left bar and the top right bar match in color. So I have yellow here and white here at the bottom. And on top, I have yellow and white arranged the same like the bottom face. Then do R, U2, F. And finally, for a diagonal and the bar faces, position your cube so that the bars are at the top and they are vertical towards you. Then do a R, and we will end up with the L-shaped case. And you can easily solve this by applying R, U prime, R. R, U prime, R. Now that the yellow and white faces are done, it's time to solve the top and bottom layers. Here's the trick. Ignore the middle layer for now and focus on one of the outer layers. Let's say we start with the top. Check if you have a completed bar on any of the 4 faces. In my case, I don't, so I'm going to hold my puzzle anyhow I like and apply this algorithm. R, U prime, R, F, U prime, F, U, F. If you did it right, one of your faces should now have a completed bar. Now position that bar to the left. Apply the same algorithm one more time to solve the first layer. R, U, R, U prime, R. F, U prime, F, U, F. Easy, right? Now, for the bottom layer, just rotate the puzzle so that the bottom is now on top, and apply the same algorithm again to finish up the bottom layer. The last step is to solve the middle layer. There are a few cases for this step, so let's go over them. For case 1, if none of the faces are solved, then apply this algorithm. R, E, R. If it's still not solved, rotate the cube clockwise on the y-axis. Then try again with the same algorithm. R, E, R. For case 2, if one of the faces is already solved, you want to get the cube as close to solved as possible first. Next, position the solved face to the left. Then keep applying R, U2 until the cube is solved by itself. And finally, if two opposite faces are solved, hold one solved face to the left, then do R, E2 repeatedly until you have solved it. And that's it. Your 2x2x3 cuboid puzzle is solved. It's really an easy twisty puzzle, just a few simple moves and some practice. I hope this tutorial helped you out. And if you liked the video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more puzzle videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.